Every sunrise feels like a
My love, sa una na tong kita, I never imagined how much you would change my life. It started with an innocent connection quickly. Became the most important part of me. Innocent kaysa dating app na ta nagkaila. Simpleng hi, hello, hantod na abot sa I do.
There's always wonder to be found in this world.
Hello, love. Thank you so much for being strong from strangers to lovers. Naradyo di ay sa Facebook dating app ang True Love.
Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wild life. Tell me, could this get any better?
Leonard Hughes, do you take himself when a man here present to be your lawful wife?
Yes, Judge.
Do you give yourself to her as her lawful husband?
Yes, Judge.
What a beautiful life.
Today, I promise nga dili kalimtan ang tanan kasakit, kasubo ug kamingaw na nagpa-strong sa ato para maabot nato ni nga mga plano. Because it makes the love sacred. To hold your hand like I once dreamed of.
Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wild life. Tell me, could this get any better? This beautiful.
Karon, love, manumpa ko nga ako jud paningkamutan nga ako matuman kini tanan akong mga saad. Ingon sa akong loving wife o para sa among mga umaabot nga pamilya.
When you enter into a lawful union, you are obliged to obey the laws of the marital relationship.
I've been walking this road through the winding unknown, with the sun shining in the dark. Feels like time after time.
There were nights I cried, wondering if the distance would win, if the ache of waiting would break us, if love could really survive miles. But every time, gipili jud nato ang usa-usa.
You are my home.
Himself, Quenomer, do you take Leonard Hughes here present to be a lawful husband? Yes, Judge. Do you give yourself to him as his lawful wife? Yes, Judge.
You are my home.
Andam ko perminti sa mga pagsulay nga moabot og unsa may mga problema. Naara ko permit diri sa imong kiliran ug ako po isiguro nga sukad karon ikaw ra gyud ang akong number 1 nga priority.
Oh, no matter where I go, you bring me back again. You are my.
From this day forward, I promise that for the rest of my life, I will always choose you no matter what. And I will love you for the rest of my life. I love you very much, my love. My life, Leonard.
The place where my heart belongs. When I'm lost in the dark, I look for your spark. You give me a place to go. You're my heart.
The rights and obligation of husband and wife, Article 68 to 73, be faithful to each other, exclusive